Yeah. All right. Before we go farther, let's double check our part right here. All right, so we have this new coolant caddy. With the anti-splash in it. Pretty cool. Yeah.
Well, I mean, that can happen, right?
A few moments later.
All right, so she is done dripping. Close it. Make sure it's tight. And clean it. Wipe it down. All right, so it did not drain the whole thing. We are gonna make a mess here, but we have no choice. We're just gonna go ahead and clean it after. So press this and pull it out. Oops, there we go. And there's one more here. Press that one. Do I have to press it twice? Press that one. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. This one, I have to pick it out. There we go. Then unplug it. All right. We are doing good, guys. That one. Do I have to press both sides? Oh, nope. I don't have to press this one right here. Let's see if this one can help. There we go. It's gonna make a mess. Oops. There we go. Okay, so I think we're better off if we can remove this bracket, right? I think so. Oh, I forgot this clip right here. And we can just lift this and remove the bracket. Maybe. There we go. Let's go ahead and clean this so we can see better. We're gonna make a mess here for sure. But it is what it is. We're just gonna go clean it. There we go. Now we can pull this out. And it's gonna leak a little bit. Oops. Yeah, that's expected. And this guy right here, same process. Pick it out. There we go. Now we can remove it. Okay, it's right there. All right, can we unplug that connector? Or we can undo those two 10mm and then unplug it. Yeah, let's do that. There we go. Okay. Ah, there's another clip in there. There we go. Oops. Thought I got it. There we go. There you go. And here is the new one. Part number. Oh, okay, so we gotta transfer this, pull this out. This one is gonna be a lot easier to remove. Okay. Okay. There we go. That one's just in. And line this up. We can remove this now. Okay. Oh, I'll forget to plug this in. Okay. There we go. Sweet. That one is plugged in. This one is. Connector is in. All right. Oops. It's not going right. I don't like the way it goes in. Oh. Yeah, that one doesn't have a washer. There we go. That's much better. Okay. That one is tight. That one too. Yeah. There we go. Snap in place. Pull this up gently. Oops, that one's just on the bottom. There we go.
Yeah, but not everything in the place was pretty much.
Maybe I made a mistake here. We're just about to find out. Oh yeah, I did. So this one needs to go in as well. Okay. And the longer one goes there. Okay. My bad. Don't forget to plug this in. There we go. There we go. Oh, okay. My bad. So this should go in first. Let's undo this. There we go. Here you are. Don't hide from me. Just snug them. Remember, they're plastic. go clean this really quick and plug it in. There we go. This clip right here, don't forget it. All right, let's go add some coolant. Put this back and the negative battery cable. Oh, this is super clean. I don't want my gloves in it. Okay, plug this in. We are going to use our Launch X431 to turn on the electric water pump to bleed the system. Reading the VIN right now. This thing is pretty fast compared to the OEM one, because the OEM one is going to ask you a bunch of codes, dealer code, things like that. This one is just a plug and play. Now we are ready, so I'm gonna go ahead auto search it. All right, so this is a 2023 Ioniq 5, and we are here in the US area. Click OK. Select system selection. I try to remember, but I believe that one is located to the motor. We don't have the rear one, we have the front motor right here. Select that one. All right, so select special function. There you are, electric water pump control. Then we have the condition here. It says ignition on, engine or motor stop, no DTC, and I think we're good to go. Press OK. Now it's doing it. We have to go ahead and fill that up. We're still good. Stop right there. I overfill it. No, still doing it. Still burping. How long this thing's gonna take? It says it's gonna take at least for 30 minutes. Holy cow. 30 long minutes. Alright guys, it's still doing it. This is your water pump right here. This is the one that's actually running right now. While waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and hoist it and just clean the bottom portion. I was wrong guys, this one has a rear motor as well. So this is all-wheel drive. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna finish a whole 30 minutes because I don't see any more bubbles. So I think we're good. I'm gonna go stop this, take it for a long test drive, come back and double check our work. Just be careful here because we already cleaned this thing. I don't want to spill it. I'm gonna go adjust it later or maybe add more after the test drive. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take this for a test drive. Well, first let's scan the full system. Health, there we go, it's gonna scan the whole thing. Alright guys, so everything is normal. Let's drive this. Alright, we gotta slow down. There's a family of duck here. Hey, go bud, go, go, come on. Yeah, go pick up your son or daughter. Go. Where are you guys going? Okay, can I pass now? Okay. Hey bud, hurry up. I got a lot of work to do. There we go. Now they wake up their mind. Alright, we made it back. Let's go ahead and rescan it. Alright guys, as the full system is done and everything here is normal, I'm gonna go ahead and double check my coolant level, raise the vehicle, check for possible leak, install the cover, and I'm gonna let my porter to take this vehicle for at least 20 more miles before we're gonna call the customer. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.